Namaste everyone, I'm Sailvi, working as an assistant professor, Department of Education and Methodology, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. So, in this video, I'll be talking about research tools. So, in order to understand this topic in a better way, I'm going to share a PDF with you that will help you understand what research tools are. Just give me a moment, please. कुछ नहीं ऊपर की लिंक में आ रहा है तो वो नीचे वाले ही डालेगा अच्छा समझ इस वाले मैं वाईफाई वाला ये कर सकते हैं कि आईटी एक्सपर्ट So, first of all, we'll understand the meaning of research tools. So, research tools refer to the methods, techniques, instruments, and procedures that researchers use to collect, analyze, and interpret data in order to answer research questions or test hypotheses. Example of research tools include survey, interview, observation, experiments, questionnaire, focus groups, case study, and statistical analysis software. These tools help researchers to gather and analyze the data that is relevant to their research questions or objectives. And effective use of research tools is critical to producing accurate and reliable research findings. Researchers must carefully select and apply appropriate research tools that are relevant to their research objectives and data requirements, while also being mindful of their potential to carry out a research related to that topic. Then, what research tools do? So, research tools enhances research efficiency. Like research tools can help to increase the efficiency of the research process. We cannot imagine collecting data without research tools. By using standardized research instruments, researchers can streamline data collection and reduce the time and effort needed to collect and analyze data. Then improve data analysis. Research tools can help researchers to analyze data more effectively. For example, statistical analysis tools can help researchers to identify patterns and relationships in the data, while content analysis tools can help to identify themes and trends in qualitative data. Then facilitate replication. Research tools that are well documented and standardized can facilitate replication of research studies. This is important for building a body of knowledge that is based on reliable and valid data. Enhance research transparency by using validated research instruments and making them publicly available. Researcher can enhance the transparency of their research. This can help to build trust and confidence in research findings. So research tools are critical for conducting high quality research that produces accurate and reliable data. By using validated and standardized research instruments, researchers can improve the efficacy and transparency of their research and draw valid conclusions that can be replicated and used to advance knowledge in their field. Now we'll be talking about the types of research tools. So research tools can be broadly categorized into two types: qualitative research tools and quantitative research tools. Qualitative research tools are used to collect and analyze non-numerical data such as interviews, focus groups, observations, and case studies. Quantitative research tools, on the other hand, are used to collect and analyze numerical data such as surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis. For example, research tools include questionnaire, interviews, survey, observation, protocols, experimental design, statistical software, and content analysis tools. Then observations. First of all, we'll talk about observations. So observations can be concluded in a particular or participant and non-participant manner. In a particular observation, the researcher becomes part of the group being observed and records their observations. In non-participant observation, the researcher observes from a distance and record their observations. Case studies can be used to explore a particular phenomena in depth and are often used in social sciences, business, and medical research. Content analysis can be used to analyze any form of written, audio, or visual material, including social media posts and news articles and movies. These were few examples of qualitative research tools. Now I'll be talking about quantitative research tools. So surveys can be administered in person, over the phone, online, or through the mail. The questions can be open-ended, close-ended, or a combination of both. Experiments can be conducted in library or in field. They typically have 2 or more groups, including a control group and 1 or more treatment group. So in behavioral science also experiments take place, but the nature of behavioral science experiments is different from that of natural sciences. Statistical analysis involves using mathematical and statistical methods to analyze quantitative data. There are many different techniques that can be used depending on the research. Questions and design. Sampling techniques include random sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. The goal is to select a sample that is representative of the larger population that is being studied. Data visualization. Data visualization can be used to create charts, graphs, and other visual representations of quantitative data. This can also help researchers and others better understand the data and draw insight from it. So I just explained you with examples the difference between qualitative research data and quantitative research tools. So in this video, let's recapitulate. We talked about research tools. Research tools are very important, and we cannot imagine collecting data without research tools. They are of different types depending upon the nature of the research. If your nature of the research is of qualitative type, then you have to choose some particular research tools like observation and all sort of things. But if it is quantitative in nature, so your research tools will be according to the nature of your research work. So I'll be talking about further research tools in my next class. Thank you.